Hello friends, welcome to Vidyascooking channel. Today I'm going to show you how I prepare this tomato and feta rocket salad. Turned out so good. I feel like eating it once more. So here I've got cherry tomatoes which is rinsed well and chopped into halves. I've also separated the rocket leaves, rinsed it in water well and reserved it. And we'll also require olives. Olives is up to you. You can add olives or leave it out. But I'll use a very basic dressing. Oil, chili powder, salt, pepper powder and lime juice. We'll also be using feta cheese for this recipe. Now all the ingredients used in this recipe friends will be listed in the description box below this video, or you can click the icon above this video which will direct you to my blog. In the blog I've got all the prep steps and a detailed recipe. So do visit my blog for a detailed recipe. Now here you can see in a mixing bowl I've added chili powder, salt, pepper powder, lime juice and oil. We'll mix everything. Just check for salt, add salt if needed, and we'll reserve it. That is going to be our dressing, a very simple dressing. I was planning to mix everything in a bowl, then later on I changed my mind and I started to assemble everything on a serving platter. Now here I've also used some olive juice. You can use that or you can leave it out, but I felt that olive flavor will be extra tasty and it will be very nice. So it definitely added a punch. So now I've added some olive juice also, some of that Bran. Now on a platter, I'll layer out the rocket leaves and then I'm going to layer it with the chopped tomatoes. That is cherry tomatoes. The cherry tomatoes was so tasty. I purchased it from More Maker Store. It was very nice. I highly recommend it, and More has got wonderful cherry tomatoes now. They are priced between 22 to 30 rupees per pack. It's worth it. It's very nice and tasty. Kids will really enjoy it. So do give them tomatoes this way. It is very nice. So now here I've topped the rocket leaves with the cherry tomatoes. Then I'm going to top it with the olives. Drain the olives and then top it on the salad, because too much of salt is not good for us. So just use only the olives here. And then I'll be topping it with the dressing that I prepared, and finally the feta cheese. I'm repeating myself friends. All the ingredients used in this recipe along with my detailed blog post link will be listed in the description box below this video, or you can click the icon above this video which will direct you to my blog. Also like me and follow me on other social media handle links. Instagram, Facebook and Twitter. Other social media handle links will also be listed in the description box below this video. Many ingredients used in this recipe friends are purchased locally from More Mega Store, and I also purchased these rocket leaves from Gourmet Garden, and the olives are from Lulu. So this salad has come from different places and I really enjoyed it. So do try this. I highly recommend such salads for summer. Until next time, this is Vidya Lakshmi friends. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.